Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Razr 70, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset this phone. Okay, I'm talking about the factory reset, and of course remember that if you are factory resetting your device, everything will be erased. So for example, before you can create a backup of your data, if you don't want to lose everything. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel you can also find a video how to do it on this exact phone. We have two ways how we can reset our device. The first and the recommended method is a reset through the settings. Simply open them up, keep scrolling down until you find System, and then tap on Reset Options, and on the bottom we have Erase All Data Factory Reset. You just gotta tap on that, and now if you tap on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off, and after a while it will be turned on again, and you will see the setup process on your screen. And that's the end of the process. Your device will be successfully resetted. When it comes to the second method, it's a factory reset through the recovery mode. But when it comes to this method, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that if you have your screen lock set, I highly recommend to turn it off before the whole process, and you can also sign out from your Google account, because if you have your screen lock set and your Google account, and that you are signed in, after the reset through the recovery mode, there's a chance that during the setup process, the phone, you'll see the notification about that this device was resetted in an unauthorized way, and you need to verify if you want to keep using that device. So that is why it's good to turn off the screen lock and sign out from your Google account, because there's a chance that during the setup, you'll see a Google account verification, or you'll have to draw your screen lock. So have that in mind. And now to perform this reset, we gotta power off the device, so click the power key and volume up and tap on power off. Now to enter recovery mode, we need to hold the power key and volume down at the same time. Just like that, until you see this menu. Now use your volume keys to find recovery mode. And now confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, now you need to hold the power key and click volume up. Now we are in recovery mode. Now use your volume keys to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm by clicking the power button. Again, select Factory Data Reset. Click power button. We can see down below that data wipe has been completed. Now select Reboot System now and confirm by clicking the power key. One last time. Now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on, and we will see the setup process on our screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.